So we're making my celery black pepper tofu. It is super delicious, it is peppery, and it's super fast, and it makes a great lunch. You can serve it with rice, brown rice, quinoa, or in lettuce wraps, or basically however you want it. It's basically really delicious. If you love black pepper, you're gonna love this celery black pepper tofu. We need some extra firm tofu that we're gonna press for at least 15 minutes, then cube or tear into pieces, and then add to a bowl. Then we'll add some soy sauce and then toss it really well. Next, we're gonna take our cornstarch and add some garlic and loads of black pepper and mix in. And then sprinkle that all over the tofu and toss well to coat the tofu. Then transfer that tofu onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and spread on the baking sheet. You want to separate it as much as possible and then put it to bake. You can also pan fry the tofu. I like to put it to bake because then I have enough time to chop up the celery and whatever veggies I want to add to the sauce. And then start to make the sauce. Heat some oil or sesame oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the dried red chilies to the oil. Then add in your chopped ginger and garlic and cook until the garlic is starting to turn golden. Add in the celery, add in a pinch of salt, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix all of the sauce ingredients into the celery mixture and cook for about half a minute. Take your baked tofu out of the oven, add it to the celery mixture, toss well to coat, cook it for about half a minute, and it's done. And that is it. Then you garnish it with some green onion and serve it with rice or quinoa or lettuce wraps or however you like. It's absolutely delicious when it's hot. The tofu is crisp and chewy and it has a ton of black pepper sauce on it. You will have a hard time not eating it right from the pan, although it'll be hot, so be careful if you do it. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.